The two-bedroom Woodhouse Toledo is a 75-square-meter wooden cabin with a modern, spacious layout, perfect as a summer home or year-round residence. Measuring 10 by 10 meters, it features two cozy bedrooms, a generous living area, and 3 rooms in total. The striking pent roof, with 2 distinct heights, adds architectural interest and enhances interior space. Supported by 18mm roof boards, it allows for excellent natural light. Large windows and sliding doors open onto expansive porches on 2 sides, ideal for outdoor relaxation or entertaining by the pool. Built with 70mm thick walls, the Toledo combines durability with modern style for any season.